Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. It is a lovely, delicious meatball sub recipe, guys. This recipe, it is so delish and it smells so fantastic. Welcome, my name is Justina. If you are new here, this is your first time of coming to my channel, we do food recipe here and we also do mukbang. Welcome. Today's recipe is a good one. Stay tuned. I will introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. My ingredients for today: I'm using sliced cheese, I'm using basil, onions, fresh ginger and garlic, and half of habanero pepper, curry and mixed seasoning, salt, maggi, bread rolls, meatball, and 1 plantain tomato, olive oil. So guys, I am going to slice my onions, I am going to pound my ginger and garlic, and I am going to slice my basil and also slice my habanero pepper. So guys, I am going to add some olive oil in the pan. I'm just gonna allow it to heat up a bit. So now I'm going to add my meatball in the pan. I'm just gonna cook this meatball for 5 minutes. I'm just gonna keep flipping it until it all browns out, okay? So guys, after 5 minutes, I am going to take out the meatball off from the stove, because it is browned very well now. So guys, in the same pan, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add ginger and garlic. I'm going to allow that to heat up for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I'm going to add my blended tomato. I'm going to allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. While my sauce is simmering, I am going to cut the bread. I'm just gonna slice it open in half. Slicing my bread, I am going to put it in the oven for like 5 minutes. Okay. After 10 minutes, I am going to add back my meatballs. And also I am going to add a little bit of the habanero pepper. I am not adding all of them, I'm adding a little bit. So I'm going to add my ingredients. I'm going to add 1 maggi. I'm going to add thyme. I'm going to add mixed seasoning. And I'm going to add salt. I'm going to leave it now to simmer on a low heat for another 10 minutes. So I have taken my bread off the oven and our sauce is also ready. I'm going to sprinkle my basil. I'm going to take that off the stove because I don't want the basil to cook at all. So I'm going to take it off the stove. So guys, everything is ready. It is time to start, putting them inside the bread. I have sliced the cheese like this. I'm going to start adding them inside the bread. So I'm going to open our bread, and I toasted this bread for like 5 minutes. So I'm going to open our bread like that, and I'm going to scoop up the meatball and the sauce and just place them in like that. And this sauce smells so wonderful. The aroma is just so beautiful. So yeah, each bread will get 3 meatballs, and I'm going to add the sauce very well. And now I'm going to add the slice of cheese. So that is the way it is. Okay, I'm going to put it back on top of the baking tray because we are going to put it back inside the oven. I'm done putting the meatball inside the bread. I'm now going to stick it inside the oven for 5 minutes. Just allow the cheese to melt very well with the meatball. Guys, our meatball sub is out of the oven and it is looking magnificent. It is well dressed and ready for this party. It is looking absolutely delish and yummy, and the aroma is just out of this planet. I am so happy with this recipe and I can't possibly wait to dive in and demolish like champions. Guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please like, please share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.